Black fungus or mucormycosis. Introduction to mucormycosis. Mucormycosis, formerly referred to as zygomycosis, is the disease caused by the numerous fungi that belong to the fungal family Mucorales. Fungi during this family are typically found within the surroundings and often associated with decaying organic material such as fruit and vegetables. Types of mucormycosis are rhinocerebral mucormycosis, pulmonary mucormycosis, gastrointestinal mucormycosis, cutaneous mucormycosis, and disseminated mucormycosis. Symptoms of rhinocerebral mucormycosis are one-sided facial swelling, headache, nasal or sinus congestion, black lesions on nasal bridge or upper within of mouth that quickly become a lot of severe, and fever. Symptoms of pulmonary mucormycosis are fever, cough, chest pain, and shortness of breath. Symptoms of gastrointestinal mucormycosis are abdominal pain, nausea and vomiting, and gastrointestinal bleeding. Symptoms of cutaneous mucormycosis are the infected area may turn black, pain, warmth, redness around eyes and nose, and swelling around a wound. Symptoms of disseminated mucormycosis are disseminated mucormycosis typically happens in individuals who are already sick from different medical conditions, thus it can be difficult to know which symptoms are connected to mucormycosis. Patients with disseminated infection within the brain can develop mental status changes or coma. Prevention from black fungus or mucormycosis are use masks if you are visiting dusty construction sites. Wear shoes, long trousers, long sleeve shirts and gloves whereas handling soil, gardening, moss or manure. And maintain personal hygiene, including thorough scrub bathtub. Cases of black fungus in India.